What is going on, Crow Army? We are here to talk about the crypto.com price action today. And we've got an announcement of some tracking mechanisms and some updates to those. So we're going to dig right into it. We're going to start with the price action, then we're going to move on to the news of the day. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right. All right, guys, the money flow has not been our friend for a period of time. You can see right here that we are dealing with a bit of a negative outflow, which has resulted in this little trend down here on price. But we should also recognize that we've got this bottoming wick that's happened right here, touching off of what is the 50-day EMA. That's what that blue line represents. We haven't had our nice little crossover. If you remember, there's been a lot of conversation about the golden cross happening for Bitcoin, the golden cross happening for Ethereum. Then we had a tremendous little dip because that's what happens when they hit those golden crosses. We had a dip and then we start to get a pump. The average amount of the golden cross in the first 30 days is negative 4.74%. But in the 6-month period, it becomes somewhere in the neighborhood of 40% increase and then up to 67% over the course of a year. So I do think that we're about to get into a nice little run. Now, as an altcoin, this represents a greater opportunity for us, but would like to see we get back into this little range right here and continue this upward trajectory and this upward momentum. Now, the comfort zone, the comfort point right here was like 8.3 cents. Like to get back into this range illustrated by this purple line right here. In case you can't see it very well, I'm going to highlight just a little bit more. And then the big resistance that we want to start working towards 13 cents. And that represents a massive amount of resistance at this point. But the big news of the day, if you are a crypto.com trader and you are on the site, you can come over here to the categories. The categories have been updated for some new categories. And you can see there's all kinds of different metaverse memes, liquid staking, you say. Yes, that's exactly what I say. And artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence tokens are now tracked by capitalization. And you can see right here, the market cap is now at 4.59 billion for AI tokens with a trading volume of $777 million, with the top movers being Atra, Zebi Token, IME Labs, and Mercor Finance. And here are the coin prices. Of course, the granddaddy of them all at the moment is the graph. All of our tracking mechanisms, all of our trading view, everything that we do when we track crypto right now is being done through the graph and their network. So Singularity is also on here. Ajax, which you've seen had a massive, and I mean a massive run over the last little while. The Oasis Network, Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol. You can see some of the familiar names popping up all over the place. And you can see some of these new ones, Singularity, brand new, starting to pop up on the radar. And we're starting to see all of these different and some brilliant projects popping up on the radar of everybody right now. But that's not where it ends, because we move on and now we have liquid staking protocols. Liquid staking is a method of staking where holders get liquidity in the form of a derivative token while the staked assets continue to earn rewards. With a market cap 3.9 billion and trading volume of 295. And of course, the big dog on the block there, Lido, which has been just everywhere. And recent listing, Rocket Pool, which is now being traded on crypto.com, Frax Share, Anchor, StayFi, Banky, Stakewise. We've got just a litany of new products that are available for you to track at crypto.com. So that's your update for the day, guys. Price action, I think we're looking at 8.3 cents coming very soon. We've got CPI data coming out. I think that's going to give us a nice run on price action. I think the numbers are going to be at least reasonable. And I think people are starting to realize that the issue that we've had with staking is just that. It's an issue with staking. It's not an issue with crypto. Even Paxos today, for a sidetrack, Paxos and the SEC, what's going on right there is based on Paxos creating new BUSD tokens to reward people for staking their Binance USD amounts. This is not about them just minting Binance USD. It's about them minting rewards to pay people for staking. So that's it for the day. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something off of this, because I sure did as I was going through it. So this is not financial advice. My name's Bleeves. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again soon.
Looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to go